drive along an ocean river.
Ava here. The video, we can use this. Oh, cute.
우리도 먼저 뽑아야 돼.
Oh, this is better.
이걸 원래 해야 돼요.
Guys, it's no. I have 3% on my phone right now, but we came to Hongdae and right now we're at a cafe. We were gonna do cafe hopping and go to another cafe, but I got too full for my drink. But we're gonna go have dinner, but I probably sadly can't record on my phone because it's going to die. Cool. Yeah, she can record on her phone. But yeah. I love now. But yes. No, I'm so sorry. I'm so. Oh. I spilled her drink. Hello, today is the next day. My phone died last night, and then my friend's phone also died. I am going to Gwangjang market with some of my friends for my first time, and I'm really excited. And I'm wearing this top, and it's my roommate's. Cute. And then in the back is a bow, but I don't think you can see it. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're in Lotte World. I got a bear headband and I got a bear clip, and then we got matching friendship scrunchies. Me and my friend are gonna go wait in the line for the hot air balloons, but it's a 50-minute wait, so we're gonna get a snack and eat it while in line. fries with chicken cutlets. It's raining. My hair is gonna de-straighten.